How to sharpen a handsaw. As you can see, I got this old saw here. I've had it for about 10 or 15 years. I've done a lot of cutting with it, and it just doesn't cut good anymore. You see, I'm trying to get through that 2x6, and it's just barely gnawing any wood. First things first, try and find a secure way to hold that saw. I'm going to use a shop vise, and then get you a good triangular file. That's a pretty crucial part here. I'll post a link in the description of the best file that I normally use for sharpening things like this. They're pretty cheap, and you can get same-day shipping on Amazon. I'll post a link to the exact one you need. Next, work your way up and down the grooves of the saw. You're going to do one side first, then you're going to flip the saw and do the other side. You're going to take your time, only pushing in one direction. Straight up is what I like to do. There's two techniques here. You can one-hand it, or you can see I start two-handed it here. We just work this file up and down each saw tooth until you get a nice, good groove. You'll notice the more you do it, the shinier the teeth get. That means it's getting sharp. Next, we're going to test it on this 2x6. Look how much better it cuts now. See, it's going right through that 2x6 with little effort. I'm not having to put too much weight on the saw. So that's probably about, I don't know, 8 or 9 swings and I'm through it.